Alright guys, so I go on now. So the first time we sample a white crown. Catch him. Huh? This one I go on them. Just I move around and I check in the community. Like over the churchyard. And I got a sauce now for glaze it. You see me? So we have some the seasoning, now we season it up in some ketchup. You see me? And put a little cream soda in it. You know a cream soda they use and work the goods up. Come taste it here. It's bad. I go and do a lot of things. Alright now guys, check out what I go on because I'm there up on the hunt. You see me? I'm coming at that old cougar and find a nest. A beer egg. See what I go on in there? Egg in the nest. You see me? But we now take the whole of them. I left back two, this fresh. This just lay. Left back two. You see me? So I'm going to take two. And left back two, because I think this man I'm find a next nest. When I take about 3 out. I have to take out egg out of the nest them guys, because I have to minimize the amount of egg where them lay, because when them lay, you know, so them chicken them fowl, they are just yard fowl. Common fowl like where you say fowl and hidden beauty them are hunt down. You understand? Them are for just their own, for just kind of scratch out the place and thing, and you understand? Scratch out anything where kill the insect them and fungus and them thing there.
It's a Colombian demon say yo, press the notification button, like, subscribe, follow and ring the bell. Remember to share. Who the fuck here?
Yeah family, what's up, welcome, hold on there. Lock off the light. Alright guys, welcome back to another video, you know, and you don't know, you know. It's your boy Wayne out here, you see me? Pan Wayne Walking TV. So right now if you notice, me have my catapult, my slingshot up and ready, you see me? And right now I see it and I kind of get a test out because I just built it. Because I say right now me and Fowl I go up and a link up and go up on a wicked competition. So I don't know, I have to get back warm. I have to warm up back, you understand? So as I'm telling you, I get a couple liquor for some bird, you know, but here now. A beer close mark me I make. You see me have some lousy shots them there. Cause here now through me kinda seize up. You see me? Two peed of two white wing upon the ground they saying about it against the law for it's against the law for shoot upon the ground. Them are for the inner tree, you understand? Them are for the inner tree, but we're gonna make an exception right now, you understand? So watch what I go on. I said I can take out one of them. Yeah. No. Watch it. See what I'm talking about? You see what I'm talking about, guys? A beer miss shot me I make. You understand? Wow, I get rusty. I trim it up on the ground still. I mean, I really want to flick it on the ground and bump I'm gonna lick all now one of them glass there. Over there, so that's why I'm kinda skeptic it still, you see me? Alright, so what I do now, I make a freelance walk. You see me? You know see good? So I try to see if I can work up something, set up something to walk with. Like a GoPro, you see me? So I can have my two on them to take the shots then. You see me? So you can see where I go on, so go and watch where I go on, set speed now guys. Cause freelance walk where I make. Just show me a talking. Boy, just see me out. Shh. Take time, go.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind.
Alright guys, so I go on now. So the first time we sample a white crown, catch him. You see me? So you don't know the vibes. We're up on it, we're still up on the hunt. You understand? So watch what I go on now, no? Just stick and stay. Yar, I remember to subscribe to that channel. Yar, we ain't walking TV. I'm out. Watch out, yeah, so it lick him in. You see me? Right, just say lick him in and bust through him, and come like it fly out back through him back, You see me? So you know the power of that liquid. So you don't know, say the slingshot there, it a chop. A lie? Cooler man. So we are going to clean up the one at the same time. You understand? We are clean up the one at the same time and clean him up and get him on the fridge. And then now we touch back the hunt again. You understand? So you don't know the thing going on, guys. Stick and stay now. We say a one walking TV and a Wayne walking TV. You understand? Any other walking TV must be Jezebel walking TV. Look good now, man. Sure. So guys, as you know, we already will catch one so far, a white crown pigeon. You see me? We catch a white crown pigeon so far. So we still there back on the hunt. Same way, you understand? So you don't know the vibes there, but take time and I go through. Sometimes I'm in the arcade and relax. So you have to take time and I circle it. You understand? Watch the apple tree. In the apple tree. So you have to watch the apple tree too. You understand? When it come like it reach young in our time now, guys, you now move certain way. You understand? Could I shoot more of them if me have more marble? You see me? Guys, when you use a marble, guys. Still up on the pursuit. guys. So far. This is no more so far, guys. See? So I go down and see again. Pretty good. Shh. If you watch the tree them too, you know, guys, see the tree them you know. See if you watch the tree them and take time and I move through and have your marble intact. Some of the little steel ball them want, cause yo, you saw the steel ball deal the guy. The steel ball bust to him chest, you know, and come back to him back in a bro G. Look good, no man. Alright guys, here we are going now. Maybe we are just call off the hunt now. You understand? We are call off the hunt. And what we are going to do, we are going to just roast that one day. You see me? We are call off the hunt. And we are just roast that one day. We will catch so far. You see me? Because I'm not seeing no more. It's good now. Alright, we are call off the hunt then guys. You understand? And what we are going to do, we are just go ahead. And we are going to just go roast that one day. You see me? And call it chow chow. Look good now? Alright, we'll line up a fire and just roast that one day and eat it. You understand? So we'll call it a white crown pigeon. Like it cuts out all the whole of them tail feathers. Yo, I'm sorry, yo, I just told me CSA enough.
Come on.
Oh, this control what you do?
That guy saw birds stay now. Don't clean him up. See me? Oh, just arrest him in the fridge car. We go back on the hunt. You understand? But you not like hunt them, have them put them with the blood in them and them thing because you know them start to deteriorate. Like clean them up. And then left him on the fridge now. And gone back on the bomb of class. Big fat split spoil. Somebody are gonna say, yeah man, you can stop smoking at the comment section. No, you can't stay there and talk. I don't know one at that. I look at comfort. See me? Alright, round here, I roast him. Same place round here, so I'm clean him. Round here, I roast him. Same way. See me? So what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna line up a fire now. Right from little green thing, that's it. When I roast breadfruit and right, that's it. When I roast breadfruit and you see me? I'm gonna deal with open. I make him roast up. Draw back feed now and season him up. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna draw back feed now and season him up, wash him down with some vinegar and season him up nice and throw him on the grill to make him go and grill down. You see me? So stay tuned, you know, guys, and watch out, you know, for more hunt, you know, like these, you know. You understand? You don't know what we might hunt next. You might see we out in the woods. You understand? I hunt all some wild pig, wild goat, because we are get the thing in line. You understand? So you stay tuned and watch what go on. See? Until and then and watch what go on. Alright guys, so see we drive up for white crown pigeon now. We are just start him out right now. You understand? Because we don't catch no more. So I'm going to give him a little wash up with some vinegar and dash on some seasoning on him. Watch this. So what I'm going to do now, pita tape. Yo, look on him kidney. How him kidney there? Romeo, that's show him kidney. Oh, see, look how look how there's something in a film kidney, rough. And in a fowl, it not stay. It not say so it can peel. Yeah, it can peel off. Now eat it.
Why?
Show it in there now. See, so come in now, adding some vinegar on it now. Kill some of the rawness off it, because you know it's fresh. See me? Soak him in the vinegar. Wash out inside him with the vinegar. And throw the more vinegar inside him. And that is that right there. So. See me? When I see what I'm going, guys? When I see, you know, tell me, you know. So I wash it again now. Ouch! Fight that, guys. Come like I'm bone in the back, you know, I'm backbone that's where the steel broke, you know. I hit juke back in my finger, you know. So it's like a fight back scene. So we are eat the him kidney to, you know, guys, and him him liver. We are hot every night. We are dead. Fowl and son in a dead. I don't know me for that, because the son I eat with all the people who talk and say, no. And the son go eat with them. See, so we put on some all-purpose on him, guys. You see me? All I go on, I just don't like them. I don't like Maggie, and I'm in a business. Maggie won't like me.
But you don't like them.
But too much time I eat on a bite. But I don't like Maggie seasoning, man, because Maggie is not my style.
What season that you put on it?
This is some oxtail seasoning I put on it. Everything I go on it, and this now is some paprika. So we put the Maggie all-purpose and the Maggie chicken, you see me, on it. Alright now, we put some paprika now on it too. You understand? So we are going to do now, we are going to mix in that now. See me? From inside to it, make it soak in through him. You understand? And they rub up the outside now. Inside. Put back in thing them inside. One hour talk boy will make me and him go on this man. We get to look for him in a scenario. Go out there, go see him out there and I say, hurry, I'm frightened. I'm show him my Slingshot. Him can't believe the Slingshot bill already here. I'm active still. So active, you a joke, man. I see some circle around on the back of him look. You know, the apple tree, I him see in the same time. I just took him. You see me? And have him. And him smell nice, guys, and look good. So I put him down. It's a pass on look cover, look a plastic cover. When I put him down now, I make him go and marinate. You see me? I make him go and marinate now. Right here, so. You see me? Make that go and marinate. Wash my hand. And I'll catch up the fire. I can just use the cold stove.
Yeah.
Call it cold not there. Yeah, I just use the cold stove and drop the mesh on it. I make him go and germinate, yes sir.
Germinate.
Alright, so guys, we will catch a coal fire and deal with on this. So first thing you do, you're going to clean your stove. So over here, so now we have the light tree and them something now. You can show your ashes. upon your lime tree and them things, you understand? And that is like a repellent against insecticides.
Yeah.
Or insecticides. Insecticides. Side. See, so what we're going to do now, we'll catch up some fire now, but in the meantime, we'll catch up fire. You don't notice music from music last time, mash it. You don't mash it there?
No.
What's from music last time? Oh, just a chop up with them. Wow. Mash it. No, pause that there, because I only mash it to get to chip. Hold on fire. From TSC special. One of them first. See? We have some wood you know we are going to use you know. We are add the wood to it, so we are smalling up the wood. Because we need the wood to create the timber. You understand? Because the only way you can create a timber is by using wood. You understand? Because if you want the pot to boil, a wood. You have to push it. See, so I light it now, make it go and catch. You know, I watch you are going from this. See? Well, let's go and add them thing up on it, see me? Keep it at least. You know, so a nice piece of wire over this, huh? We cut the manager pan. Nice piece over this. Drop the dirt pan. Alright, make that go and catch me. I run go for a piece of wire over there. No one give me no like you move like you no one give me nothing. I know myself. What? Light, that's up light, that's up man. You see you out there and I say, why do you want already I give something? So you want to say, I want to get on, give me something. I say, no, I'm in my no, why you me? All the way to give you less me now of it. Say, no, man, you move like you don't want to give me the thing, man. Sweet thing. Ouch!
Nice.
Chase the money. When you chase the money, you must catch it, you know. You must go and get it. You want to get that food now. See me?
I would food that.
Aki wood.
My teaching. I can't smoke, sir.
Aki wood can smoke, eh? Nah, man, when Aki would catch man, a blaze man worse when it try. But this now. Blaze that a blaze and burn out. So we make it blaze it. We make the fire go and burn this. No, not it. But I do more, I do. I make the fire go and burn this, then I take it and wash it. Kinda what you call it already? Sterilize it. So we kinda sterilize a piece of wire here now, guys.
Oh, you have to burn for that?
Yeah. So we make the bird go and sterilize. And when it sterilize now we go wash it off and then liquid and drop it back on it and drop on the bird. Is that here?
Is that here? Is that here?
And guys, look out for new business coming. You understand? We are going to right in a New Kingston, right across from KFC. We are going there. We are the ultimate soupy. When you hear about soupy, you are going to hear about the ultimate soupy right in a New Kingston. 3 different pots. That's why you see we are building the 3 big rim them. The 3 big rim them. Them they are going to be for the soup pot them. See me? We never want to let it out yet, but we just kind of go and into what coming soon. You understand? We are the right at the big tree at the gas station in New Kingston, this across from KFC. You understand? And we are going to have 3 pot every Thursday, Friday and Saturday. 3 pot of soup are going to do it. You understand? How it will go again? We are going to have one where the stamina soup, where will be the pea soup, where that are going to consist of cow skin. Cow cod. No. The cow cod soup will be different soup. You have cow cod soup. You are going to have the ultimate fish soup. Seafood, not fish soup. Seafood soup. It consists of like squid, octopus, all fish, shrimps. You understand? That will be the sea. So we are going to have the seafood soup. We are going to have the stamina soup where the cow cod soup that consists of cow cod and cow skin. And then we are going to have the next one where you get the pigtail with the cow skin, chicken foot and red peas. You understand? So look out for that. I come soon. You understand? Ultimate soup boss. Look for me good now. You see me? Right at New Kingston at the gas station. And when we have boiled soup, are some big pot. So come out, come support it. When you are going to start, we are going to start it live. So you all are going to see it. And you can come do your taste test. You understand? Because we are going to give you soup the first day. You understand? Taste test. We are going to step on the corner with 3 smaller pots. And we are going to give some samples. You know, some small cup for them sample what we're coming with. And then the following day now. You understand? So we are start it the Thursday. And we are kick it off fully the Friday. So the Thursday we're going to go out there and do the sample, the taste test. And then the Friday now we kick off fully. You understand? So go on, watch what I go on. We don't tell them no more because we can't make them know too much. You understand?
Very affordable.
Very affordable. You understand? So when they kill up themselves about some things where I know for them, we will kill up ourselves over some things where on our own. Yeah. No, because them cooking thing they are really my plan. But since it has come up, I'm going to deal with it. You understand?
It makes sense.
And it makes sense. Because some people when they do them thing on them for penetration and put them penetration on them thing where them can do, where them see them good at then.
Yeah.
So try put yourself in that way you're good at. You are try run competition and try put yourself in a position where other people there and you can't compete with them. You see me?
Yeah, I get this.
You are going to get left. So you have to see where you made for. Because everybody made for this. Yeah. You have to know them things. You ever someone take up badness and then I tell them old and grey and someone take up badness and say, go out to them dead because it never make for them. You see me? So you have to know what is yours and go for it. You hear me? I want you and tell you, good, and love my one.
You get left in the race.
Let's burn this now for completely wash with nothing. You hear me? If me out in the woods, I wouldn't have no steel wood and no ray.
Fair wash.
Fair wash that. So a primitive. We are dealing with it. Primitive. See?
You want
the leg? Me I wonder how the arm them are gonna work now because them are gonna drop through it.
Oh my. Get a stick and put them on it. Push it through the stick.
See there?
Yes, them are gonna drop.
Oh, like a kebab.
Yeah.
Where you stick there?
I don't know where you're going.
Better you get a fork then. Come here, boy, just drop it in.
A fork? Ain't a hot in your fork? You sure it's not gonna drop through there?
Yeah.
Oi.
Alright, we don't want this to go full up on the fire yet.
We get dry down the tongue.
I want the fire burn down because yeah, because it has too burnt. Yeah, it has scorch it. Too quick and burn it. Don't put it on next thing. Primitive, where do it? Primitive. see me? So watch you jerk bird, ponder bird. Yo! Somebody say watch it. So you want a 4 away, so it all go. 4 quarter. Leg on, you want leg on it. Right more, breast and wing.
Give me the breast out.
You want breast and wing?
Yeah.
Right more, leg on tie.
Leg on tie.
Romeo want leg on tie too.
Yeah.
Nah, man, I me want leg on tie, man. They have to take bumbo cloth, big part, they will look for me. Me I eat bird from a little. From a little me I eat bird. Them for come eat bird now and come learn to shoot bird when them old. When them young and I grow, man, I be work, man. I get to do some of them activity here with them. So kind
smell
of
nice.
Smell nice, alright. So I ease it up like how it smell nice now and flip it over, make the other side get little too. Because we are share the compaction. You see me? I will play music now. You know, so I'm broke like down there. Yeah, make it spread out on the fire, yeah. Should I just bust it in 2 and have the 2 quarters of them separately. Make it go and work CMA still. You see me? Yeah, because them part of the slope. You want to smell the jerk flavor? Yo, not even one bitch chicken back when my jerk out there and smell sweets of blood. What you can't tell me no lie. You know, you tell me same jerk chicken back smell better than this time. He's a liar and a thief too. You don't smell it?
Yeah, let me first say after
this is not jerk, this is a roast. This is a roast. You understand? We call it roast. So you have to use fire to roast it. You see me? You see it gather the water now in the belly. The juice. The whole of the juice I gather in the belly now, so it will go absorb and germinate. See me? Yo, so we have to live if Babylon never come in with this fucker about civilization, you know. So we would all live happy. Because you have to go hunt where you want, where you one bird you have to share for the family because I eat your own. I eat alone you get so. I eat have to go share. Yeah? And drink water and say, go. When you hold all that, sometimes they're done cook good and you hold them. You see all the blood splash out of it. Here comes up. I know when me want to live in that man. Red Babylon come free me. Yeah. I come like a free Babylon, free me to blood that. Imagine me if I live like them man that we are talking about dirty. Yes, and them have picnic. So I wonder how the part they go when they go together part come now to make the picnic.
And then they're not beard after.
And then the beard and them think there's a stinking environment that for you go to say you're supposed to smell a fowl scent from far. No sir. Or they must go in a little river man.
Yeah. They must have.
No sir, they must beard. Maybe well, I don't know, maybe them that tribe they not beard. Come you see a woman in that tribe, eh? The one them there that talk about.
It's a desert, babe. You don't see it like it's a desert. So
desert.
It's no water.
Water. I'm going to live so, you know. So, thanks to Babylon. See me? Can't just go turn on the pipe now.
It's done, babes?
What you done already, man?
Oh, you can see fire dry down.
No, because it just set the fire for dry down now. We eat the we had to soak it now, it get the heat to go up there. You understand? If you want you can put some more coal in it because you want it to roast, you want it to crispy.
Yeah.
You understand? But you don't want the olive for
You don't want it to crispy neither.
You don't want it germinate. Alright, just like that. See? So you have it now. So you see it get smoke now.
Yeah, that's right.
Get smoked now. Yo, that the video they go long the blood clot. If you have videos, just put set the video and left it. That you do? Blood clot. But you stop it now until it's ready. Because when time you do it now, then no space now there for run the germination. Alright guys, so what you are going on now? You have to taste the liver. You have to taste it? So the bird liver guy.
So I know the kidney.
Like kidney. And then the kidney. Yeah, the kidney now work out guy, because the piece of velvet when they on it. May I tell you the piece of velvet where when you cut it and spin it over so, the velvet where they in that.
A velvet or a rubber?
A velvet that look that. The velvet not like rubber. Velvet not rubber. Like a rubbery fabric.
Soft.
Velvet? Rough. Well, that's something rough that then. Matte. Rug, like a rug. No velvet. Rug. Rough man. And thick. You understand? So if you want to get it out there. Smell how it smell man, like jerk chicken to blood clean. Umpy supposed to smell it and I wonder if I feel blood. Because Umpy out the road there jerk, you know. Umpy would out there wonder if I feel chicken and smell it so. Alright, so we push the knife through the breast them. See me? And make it go on germinate same way. See?
Germinate.
So you keep on watching now guys, because I want to see the outcome. You understand? So what we are going to do, we now hold up no more time. We are going to just go straight to the outcome. See? So what you are going?
Yeah.
Alright, see, so we are going to make a little sauce. We are going to make a little sauce now for glaze it. You see me? So we have some of the seasoning, or we season it up with some ketchup. You see me? And we'll put a little cream soda in it. You know a cream soda them use and walk the goods up. So this now, we are going to use this now and kind of glaze it now. You see me? To get a impression out of it. Glaze it now with this now. We get a certain impression. You see me? Look good now man? And then we see it now and flip him over. Flip him over and glaze the side there too. You see me? Yeah, give them a close up on the glaze. Make them know what glaze mean. A lot of people don't know what is glaze. You see me? Alright, so this is it now guys. So we'll flip it so again. And we'll flip it so again. So you see it activate the cream soda, activate now in the ketchup. And it turn white. So we ease off this now. See? So we are going to select it now. Like this. Yes. See it there? Right, look. Look like it cook. Where Romeo them there?
Romeo!
Right in there. Where you see you want? Breast and wing? You want breast? Right in there. Yeah, one there. Right, so we have some dumpling. We get some dumpling from Umpy. So every man get a dumpling and a woman. You see me? Get a dumpling. More leg and thigh. Where you want leg and thigh or breast? Breast. And dumpling? I want bigger dumpling because your mother not eat now. Huh? Come on, come on, eat me, come on, go on. Come taste it here. Bad. So go on with a lot of things. I have to eat your dumpling. Bird that none game. Right dumpling. Watch him leg. Yo, ball play, ball. Jerk ball play. You know? You see the it phone? So guys, thank you very much for watching. Now you know chop already. You understand? This is your TV, not mine. Wayne Walking TV. Yeah. And I'm out.
Let's go. Yo. I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad.
I saw when me studied, you know,
Fuse like a magnet.
and studied the earth, you know, me realize that it's fuck no arm level. So through me realize that it's no level now, what me do now, we just try to find a way of work around it. You understand? Because the world unfair or something. I don't know what I'm thinking, but something right about it. Because regular I see certain things happen. I see all people when have no use for all drone. Get all drone and have it as toy, play with it to rot it until it mash up. You see me? Yeah, people, enough people must get certain gadget. Right now, I know man have GoPro. You see me? And him now the YouTube, him now video nothing like people just come from foreign and just carry. Say other one a come out now, the Hero Black or them carry one film. Them a come again, a new one come out, them carry again. So you end up have two group and now do nothing with them. You see me? And seem like how you get them, you look and say somebody where do something where they have use feet. And say, boy, let me give them it. You don't give them it, them want to sell it for a bag of money where you can't find. So I realize that the earth and fear and level, so I love it. I'm just try to work with them here and just go and go through. Because that me say happen. The people that have use feet, now go get it. The person when want it or not have no use feet and never ask feet, and them get it, you know. But the person where they have use feet, make blood clot. Problem, you don't believe me? Oh, tell you that. Today I see people all get all some bumbuckleed phone. Man, foreigner come down. And me look, this man I get all some phone where when me look on all the quality of the phone, I say, yo, it's a mad phone, this in a dog. You see me? And begin some man fly out, the screen height crack up worse than my phone and you not do nothing with it. You see me I try to show you? I just saw me that want me where they want all one of them with all them quality they know. You see me? For upgrade me thing, I can record from 4K and all them thing there. So we are watch about the thing them like a glass. But in time, so go on do my thing. Go and shop me little vlog, Sometimes I get $100, next time I get $150. You know, next time I get $200, you go on little. And one day I go have the money can buy all of my little gadgets them I want If I do me thing, cause like how me I say I want to do all that like solo hunting now. Bill all my slingshot and want to do all that like solo hunting. Should have all a little GoPro can either dey on my chest or on my forehead, put my little thing of it on my forehead so I can just go through, I see a bird, I can look on the bird so it dey on my forehead, anything on my eyes, any ear on my eyes see, it a sit too. You know? And when you done you have your little good laptop for run off back the file too and I edit it now all you can draw it in now upon the editing and you know so like you see a bird and you come to shoot on fire. When you edit now, you show them the fire there, and then you revert, and then you give them a next shot now where you give them a close up shot of how the stone gauge him or how the stone lick him. You see me? So this now you can when you edit now you zoom it in now, make them see the shot this and you cannot do your thing. You see me? Until things change and things get better, but I just saw it go. You see me? Take time, work up the way because what make me believe in them thing there. Because each time me look back or sometimes me look on life and it feel upsetting, I always try to reflect back on story of Christ. You see me? I always try to reflect back on that and I say, Jesus Christ are the Son of God. And him come on earth with such a heart come free we you know, from our sins. You know. Him never come living a life like fear and them boy that do the wickedness. You look back on a next story again like the story of Job. There is none other servant loyal and faithful like Job. But look on where God put Job through. But down in the end, Job lose everything. Down in the end, God grant him back everything 7 times 7. You see me? So them little thing that me look on them little story them just use for just compose myself. You see me? And just stay up on the right path and I go and go through.
Go for the bag, we never fumble. Dark we dark, we no humble. Did I feel bang line no one to run to? I from black eye class, look where the duns to. I from black eye class. Yeah, man.
Love, like, and subscribe. We are watching TV.
And press the notification button, like, subscribe, follow, and ring the bell. Remember to share. Who the fuck here?